Hello, my name is Maddox Quinn McGuire, and I nominated myself for this so that so that no one else can nominate me. The deal is you have to either dump a bucket of ice on your head or donate $100 to ALS. And I'm pretty sure I only have 24 hours to do this. My three nominations are Mom and Jeremy. My mom is Stephanie McGuire, and who else? Oh, my best friend Nick. He'll do just fine for this.
Maddox, are you ready to do the ice bucket challenge?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's get it on!
Camp! Use hand blizzard of Maddox!
How about seeing that in instant replay? Bring it on back. Here we go. Yeah. Let's have another cold one. Boom! Cold one number 2. Just for you. I think it's cold at the second time.
So, Maddox, how was your first ice bucket challenge?
Really cold and icy.
Yeah, it looked pretty cold. It looked like you had fun. Riley, what are you going to do if one of the nominations he called out nominates you?
Be really afraid.
You're not going to do the ice bucket challenge?
I might, I'm gonna be a little scared.
All right, well, that looks pretty fun and all. Oh, here we go. Maddox is waddling away. Here, look.
I don't like this. It feels like a blizzard, too. I just did the ice bucket challenge. Now it's your turn.